Welcome back to Take the Scary Out of Cooking Seafood. Today we're trading in our broomsticks for soup spoons.
And brewing up a bold, brothy bowl of Minorcan clam chowder. Spooky name, but full of soul-soothing flavor.
This chowder is a Florida favorite, rich with history and spiced with something special.
Today's twist? We're using Scotch bonnet peppers. They're fiery little things, so handle with care. If you're sensitive to heat, use just a bit, or wear gloves like a kitchen wizard.
Remove the cooked clam meat from the shell.
Start by crisping up some bacon. This gives your chowder a smoky depth. And let's be honest, who's afraid of bacon?
Next comes the veggie medley. Onions, celery, green bell pepper, and of course our mighty Scotch bonnet. Other substitutions could be datil, habanero, or jalapeno peppers to change the heat. Stir them all together and let them soften.
Then we toss in garlic and potatoes for texture, heartiness, and flavor that'll haunt your taste buds in the best way.
A splash of lemon juice brightens it all up, like casting a light spell over your bubbling brew.
Add clam juice, crushed tomatoes, and Worcestershire sauce. Stir it up and bring it to a boil. It's looking like a real potion now.
Let it simmer so all the flavors can merge like monsters at a masquerade.
Finally, we add our chopped clams and that briny, beautiful liquor they released. Stir and cook just 5 minutes more.
That's it! You've conquered the chowder. Spicy, savory, and definitely not your average soup.
Minorcan clam chowder might sound intimidating, but it's really just comfort food with a little southern sass.
And those clams? Full of iron and B12. Nutrients so good, it's scary. Join us next time when we tackle another Gulf Coast favorite, jambalaya, with shrimp, sausage, and a spooky amount of flavor.
Happy cooking and happy October!